Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to make a special baby chicken for you. This is black pepper baby chicken. Very simple, no hot chilies or masalas gone in it. It's just very simple black pepper chicken. I will explain you step by step how to make this a very authentic chicken. But let us tell you that please watch all the video from start, as keeping an eye on all the steps will give you a very good taste of the chicken. Now there is a baby chicken that is a 1 kilogram. Here it is. We have 2 tablespoons of ground black peppers. Now this can be 1.5 tablespoon to 2, or you can even reduce it if you don't like it too much. Salt 2 teaspoons. According to your taste again, it can be added, well, it'll be added towards the start, but if it is less, you can always add more towards the end to give it a good taste. We will start with 2 teaspoons. 200 grams of yogurt. Now, obviously, if you have more chicken, you'll add more. You can add up to 500 grams if you have 2 kilos of chicken. Up to roughly 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves. This been fine cut like that. We have a puree here, which is ginger and garlic. Now, we made this into puree by blending them together. Just use your normal blender. It's a 1 bulb or like 6, 7, 8 cloves of garlic and same amount of ginger. Clean them up, blend them, make it puree. Now these chilies, green chilies cut like that, are mild chilies. They're not too hot. That is, again, according to your taste. Take 4 to 5 chilies and cut them like that. But you can increase or reduce. It's entirely up to you. How much chilies do you want? Now a few elongated cut ginger pieces. That's for the garnish towards the end. And we have got 5 tomatoes here, but again, we haven't removed the skin because these are very soft tomatoes, and the skin will make good combination once we're cooking the chicken. But you can remove the skin if you don't like it. But if you think the skin is hard, then obviously you remove it before you cut these. Okay, let us make a very delicious black pepper chicken for you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to start cooking. What we've done is we've taken a wok, as you can see, and placed in the wok half a cup of cooking oil. We've taken sunflower cooking oil. You can take any you like. And we're about to start cooking. So bring the oil to heat, not too hot, mind though. And once the oil is hot, you're ready to place the chicken in there. The chicken will be cooked on slightly higher flame, but time to time you'll have to reduce the flame. We placed the baby chicken into the oil. As you can see, oil is not too hot. It's just slightly hot. And we're now going to crank up the flame and make a progress into the cooking. For cooking after cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes, as chicken starts to turn white, you add the desired salt into the system and keep cooking. So while you're adding the salt, obviously you reduce the fire, but you crank it back up sooner your hands are free. What we've done after placing the salt into the chicken, we crank up the fire and we cooked it for 3 to 4 minutes. You can even cook it for 5, but do not cook it too long. And keep stirring it at a high flame. And then now you're ready to add the ginger and the garlic paste. You reduce the flame while you're doing this, so I'm just going to add the paste now and the puree, and we'll continue cooking. Okay, what we done here is place the paste, which ginger and garlic paste into the system, and crank the fire back up and continue cooking. As you see, the paste which we added into there, the garlic and ginger, is now starting to stick to the chicken, and it's caramelized on the sides. And as you can see, so at this stage you are ready to add the fine cut tomatoes, and once added, crank the fire back up. What we've done here is added the tomatoes as I explained, and crank the fire back up and keep mixing it frequently. As you can see, we added tomatoes into the system. We cranked the fire fully up and added 2 drops of water so that the tomatoes can produce a proper taste. The beauty of the tomato is that once you're cooking in this sort of paste, it's any unwarranted taste or flavor in the chicken will be gone, and all you're left with is an awesome mouth-watering flavor. What we've done here is just added yogurt. It's the stage where the tomatoes has become sort of a paste and is starting to dry. Soon as it's starting to dry, it's a time to add yogurt. Here you go. And keep cooking on to the full flame. Okay, this is the stage after the addition of the yogurt. It is 2 to 3 minutes. So this is just become a paste like this. We got to cook it further in order to reduce the amount of paste and cook it properly. So continue cooking and stirring on full flame. Okay, we're just placing the desired black peppers into the system. The paste has been reduced after further cooking, and we're going to keep stirring it. Okay, what we done here is after placing the black peppers, we cooked it for 2 minutes on full flame, and then reduced the flame and added 100 gram of butter pieces into the system. If your salt is just right, then add unsalted butter. If your salt is less, then you can always add a salted butter. It's entirely your choice when you're cooking. And add the half of these fine cut chilies, and keep the half of them for garnish later, and cook it well. Once we added the required 100 gram of butter pieces and green chilies, we cranked the fire fully up and stirred it well for about a couple of minutes, and checked the salt content. At that stage, we added half a cup of water and stir it well so that it can mix well. And what we're going to do now is cover it up and leave it for 5 minutes approximately on very low flame. For this, in order for the green chilies and the black peppers flavor to work its way through. Okay, what we've done here is after placing the lid on, we reduced the fire to the lowest. We did stir once in the middle to keep an eye on it. Once you see it has become a paste like this, you can eat it with the chapati, naans, or on the rice. You switch off the fire and it is ready. What we're going to do now is garnish with the coriander leaves and the elongated cut ginger pieces. Ladies and gentlemen, we've placed the elongated ginger pieces and the fine cut green coriander onto here. This is garnishing. We've switched on the fire on the lowest now, so that the flavor of these two greens becomes well adapted with the chicken. What we're going to do is cover it up for 5 minutes, and then we're going to dish it out, and we'll show you the final product. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our final product. We've shown you step by step what to add. We've shown you all the ingredients at the start, which we added into here, and every step was recorded and given a well detail. There are no hot spices in it, or there are no red chilies, there are no garam masalas. Only things what we shown you. The beauty of this is that everybody loves this. Everybody can eat it. The people who cannot stand red chilies, they can even eat this. Now, this is awesome, delicious product, and I hope you have liked our product. This particular wok dish, Peshawari Charsi black pepper chicken, is kind of its own, and very delicious, awesome taste. I hope that you have liked our recipe and the dish. Please subscribe to our channel and share it with the others across the web. That'll be kind, and also press on the bell icon. Thank you very much.